Yeah, people were like
So what you got going on? Red wine stuff. She's still chewing. She got a piece of leather over there. My steak is fire, by the way, though. This is really good, really good. You know, Likey?
It's good, but more tough than it is.
With the cheese comforter on. She know I don't really drink. She know I don't take shots. But for her birthday, alright. You first. Alright. 1, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4. 3. Alright.
And welcome to Agave. Thank you. Great supporters. Now, guys.
It's not bad.
Okay, so.
Oh, we already drunk them. Yeah. Ours is gone too. I'm gonna put. Oh, let me put. Wait a minute. Where? You never drunk yours? Oh, you played me. Yeah. Oh, I'm good. Oh, I'm good.